From an instructor perspective, Dropboxes are popular tools in Desire2Learn. They allow instructors to efficiently present assignments to students and collect and grade student submissions. This eliminates time-consuming photocopying and carrying and storing stacks of student papers. Dropboxes can be created within the Dropbox tool and also within the Content tool. While the process looks a little different, the essential features and options of both areas are the same, with some differences in advanced features. In several videos, I'll build some sample Dropboxes, demonstrating various possibilities for using them in Desire2Learn coursework. In each, I'll demonstrate some different features available to instructors.
I'll create the first Dropbox in the Content tool. Here, I can add it where I want students to see it, together with other materials related to it. To start with, I'll go to the module in which I want the new Dropbox and click the blue New button. From the drop-down menu, I'll select New Dropbox. I'll start by adding a title in the appropriate space. This is a simple assignment where I want students to compare a 1923 newspaper advertisement to a recent course reading on the automobile industry in America in that era. For that, I need the newspaper advertisement image. So I go to the Insert Image button, and this brings up a window which allows me to insert the image as a file into Desire2Learn, and specifically this Dropbox. I happen to have a Finder window handy which shows a folder on my hard drive containing the image. I'm working on a Mac, but if I were working on a Windows PC, this would be an Explorer window. I can simply drag and drop the image file icon into Desire2Learn in the Add a File window. And there it is, ready to go. So I click Add. It's asking me for alternative text. This is simply a caption that will appear when a student mouses over the image. If you don't want to have such a caption, you can say, "This image is decorative." And here's the image, ready to go. Next, I add the prompt, or the question I want students to answer when they submit this assignment. Now, I can add a due date by simply typing it in along with the rest of the instructions. I'll publish the assignment, and there it is. I added the due date along with the rest of the instructions, but really, it's better to add the due date into Desire2Learn's utility for due dates and visibility dates. That way, Desire2Learn adds it to the course calendar, where students can easily find it along with other deadlines and important dates and times in the course. And it's simply a matter of clicking that option on the right, clicking the due date, space provided, identifying that date on the calendar, and the time, and click Update. The calendar will also push that date and other important dates to several places in Desire2Learn where students can see it. And there it is.